All right, you guys ready? The word for the day is read. Read. In Thai is อ่าน Okay? It's a low tone. อ่าน means read. So, there's several ways to say it in a sentence. Actually, more than several. There's tons of ways to say it in a sentence, but I'm going to pick some. Okay? Because I want to keep it easy for you guys to remember. Okay? Now, first one. อ่านว่าอะไรอ่านว่าอะไร You can use that right away. It means what does it say? You know, since you couldn't read Thai or any other language, you know, it's just like, well, now I have this paper, I have no idea what it said. And you ask someone อ่านว่าอะไร they'll tell you. Okay? อ่านว่าอะไร means what does it say? All right? Next one is อ่านไม่ออก means I couldn't read it. I didn't learn how to read Thai. I couldn't read it. อ่านไม่ออก means I have no idea what to say. อ่านไม่ออก it's just like gibberish. It's like a whole bunch of like letters. I have no idea what to say. อ่านไม่ออก you can say ผม or ฉัน ผม for male, ฉัน for female and male, and everyone you use ฉัน ฉันอ่านไม่ออก Okay? Just say if you get a visa for Thailand and they're like, you know, say, hey, you didn't read this. I'm like, what do you expect, man? ฉันอ่านไม่ออกอ่านไม่ออก means I couldn't read it. I have no idea what to say. All right, next one. อ่านใจอ่านใจ means I'm guessing what you want. I'm just guessing what you want. You know, I don't really know, but are you mad at me? Are you happy? Are you jealous? What? I don't know. ผมอ่านใจอ่านใจ means I'm just guessing what you want, you know, emotionally. So I couldn't guess. So I don't know. อ่านใจ All right? Now, อ่านดัง means read up, speak up, louder. I have hearing problem. อ่านดัง Just say if they say something in English, right? They're saying your name at the hospital. Okay? Mr. John Doe. And they go, Mrs. John Doe, welcome to ASMR. Or something, right? You say, come on, man. I can't hear a thing. อ่านดัง means speak up, read up. Can't hear anything. อ่านดัง sounds like poop, right? Cow dung, you know, but dung means loudly. Okay? อ่านดัง See what I mean? There's a whole bunch of ways to use the word read. Even though you don't have to read it yourself, you can use that in a normal conversation. All right? So there's tons more ways to use the word read. But today, just a quick lesson for you guys so you guys don't get bored, because I know you guys get bored very easily. So let's keep this one short. My name is Bodo, and if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.